Hey everyone, let's make this detox water to boost your metabolism. In a clean jar, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of lemongrass, 1 cinnamon stick, a bunch of mint leaves, half sliced pieces of cucumber, and add 1 liter of water into it. And here you go, your detox water is ready. It's that simple. Detox water is really beneficial for weight loss, clearing the skin. It also purifies your blood and makes you feel really fresh throughout the day. So if you're prone to acne, dullness, blemishes, detox water can help you get effortlessly clear and spotless skin. And who does not want that? It also helps in better sleeping. You're gonna keep this detox water overnight. In the morning, you're gonna strain everything and then you have the clear water with you. Now you're gonna drink this water throughout the day, and as I have told you, it has a lot of benefits to it. So start drinking this detox water and you can thank me later. Also take a moment to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more such and healthy videos. I'm gonna meet you guys in my brand new one. Till then, bye bye.